Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dyson and today I am showing you how I created this Easter look you see right here on my eyes. I'm going to do a little voiceover telling you the products I'm using as I'm using them. Don't forget about that giveaway that I have going on right now. It was posted the end of March and it will be going on until the end of this month, April. So if you hadn't entered that already, I do have it in my description box below, and I will also have it on a card right here in the corner and also in an end card at the end of this video. And in that giveaway, I do have a lot of makeup. It was like $170 retail value. Of course, I went to TJ Maxx and bought it for $100 or somewhere around there. So I got a good deal on it and I had to share it with y'all. And all the products in that is cruelty free. So yeah, enter up if you hadn't already. Now let's get on to this makeup look. So the first product I'm using is my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden. And I'm going to prime my eyelids with that. And then the next thing I'm going to use is my Makeup Revolution Iconic Pro eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the color Ghost just to set my eyes with. Then I'm going into my Too Faced Life is a Festival eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the color Young and Free, which is that matte pink color shade out of the palette. And I'm going to put this, I'm going to build it up very slowly around the crease area as a transition color. And then I'm going in with the Fantasy color from the same eyeshadow palette. And I'm putting this more on the outer corners and also kind of in the crease area. Then I'm going to wipe off my fallout with the Honest Beauty wipes. Then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. This was a gift from DD5 from our box swap. But I'm cutting the crease with that concealer before going back into the Makeup Revolution Icon Pro palette using the same color Ghost again. Just in the inner corner of that where I cut the crease. Then I'm going in with my Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner. And I'm going to do my best on like outlining my eyes, and I used a angled brush to do this. It just worked out better for me this way. Then I'm going in with my LA Colors Drama Lash in the style Dolly Lashes, and I'm using my Ardell Duo Lash Glue to do my eyelashes with. Then I'm going in with the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara just to blend in my real lashes with my false lashes. Then I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer to prime my face. Then I will be using my Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation for my foundation. And I personally like to do little bitty like spots at a time with this foundation because it does kind of dry pretty fast. And there's the differences. Then I'm going back in with my Makeup Revolution concealer to conceal under the eyes for the extra coverage. Then I'm going in with this giveaway win from Angela's giveaway, and it is called the Varganic Face Powder. And I'm setting my whole face with that powder. Then I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I got this from mine and DD5's box swap, and I'm bronzing up the face with it. Then I'm going back in with the Too Faced Life is Festival palette, and I'm using those same, well, no, I'm highlighting my face with the unicorn tears as a highlight. Then I'm going in with my NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso to fill in my brows. Then I'm going in with my Bare Minerals lip gloss in the color Groovy to set a base down before putting on the eyeshadow on top of it from the Makeup Revolution Icon Pro palette. And I'm mixing the shades Igma and Fade to make my perfect lip color that I was looking for. Then I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my look. And then after that, I'm going in back with the Too Faced Life is a Festival palette, and I'm using the same colors from before, the Fantasy color, or the Fantasy color, and the Young and Free color. Fantasy is on the outer lower lash line, and then the Young and Free in the inner portion of the lower lash line. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this Easter makeup look that I created here on this video. Please let me know what you think about it, and if you have any inspirational photos of just everyday looks, you can always message me on Instagram. My social medias are listed in my description box, and also don't forget about that giveaway I have going on this April. It is a collaboration giveaway, so you have 3 giveaway winners. I will pick my own giveaway winner, DD5 will pick her giveaway winner, and Deborah will pick hers. Those ladies are listed down below with some of the other ladies that I got some of these makeup products from. The giveaway video link is in my description box below, and also at an end card at the end of this video. I guess that is the end. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time.